blaze the fire, the righteous fire. And with that, this week we have a sad one starting off the week. We have a case where reminiscing of the CMR case. A gentleman from Florida, a Jamaican gentleman, was caught in a similar case, but I would say it was even more damning because this man have admitted to doing what CMR denies doing. Not a stepdaughter though, his real daughter. Yes, so raping his own daughter. Daddy, don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell on you one day, I swear. Can't you see I'm scared? You're supposed to be my father. Yeah, Queen Africa, I lick them out from long. I can't remember them band that song. People them know why them band that song, you know. We have a culture problem in Jamaica with this thing. We move forward. So this is a Jamaican artist. He's a part of a group. I'm going to leave the group name out of it because I don't want mess up the whole group. When I know if the rest of them are like-minded people to this gentleman or they just didn't know of his evil ways, which is most times the case. Most times these predators hide themselves. But this is a guy from Florida, Jamaican guy that does Jamaican music. You know, Florida has a huge Jamaican community, Cuban Jamaican community, and they have a lot of Jamaican events up there. Sometimes we'll see our own Jamaicans going up to Florida to do shows regularly. But on the other hand, they have their own, circle there where them have their own selectors, them own artists, them have everything over there for themselves too. So this is one of the reggae acts. Well, a member of one of the reggae groups in Florida right now. As I say, I'm not calling the group name. When we go into the report, maybe the name of the individual will highlight to some people which group it is. Yeah, man. So we're going to read out the report from Florida, from the police, and then we'll move from there. It's a sad situation still, but here are the details. Bear in mind that I might have to change up some of the context, as not to say words that are not allowed by YouTube guidelines. According to the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office, Andrew Hansen has been playing the girl from 2018 to 2025. According to the arrest affidavit, the woman or girl victim, which it says, is now 18. Hansen is currently held at the Palm Beach County Jail. In an interview with the victim, she told investigators that the first incident of playing began when she was an 11-year-old while Hansen was bathing her. Wonder why you'd have to bathe an 11-year-old though. I don't even have to bathe my 9-year-old. Let's continue. The affidavit continues that she had been living with Hansen since 2018 and that the incident occurred monthly since then. Oh boy. The victim told investigators that the incidents of playing would happen inside a vehicle in the parking lot of their apartment complex or inside of their apartment in the bathroom. She explained on a regular occurrence at around 2 a.m. or 3 a.m., she would receive a text telling her to meet him in the parking lot as he was getting home from work. The affidavit says she told deputies that she knew Hansen would be expecting sex. Not sure if I can say that one, but that's just sex. Hopefully, YouTube does not, give me any penalties for that. She said after their encounters, he would tell her to go back upstairs and he would instruct her to delete the text messages. The last incident of playing occurred on January 4th. That's this year. At around 8 a.m. when he had played with her inside her bedroom, authorities says. Boy, it's kind of hard for try to, I don't normally do these topics, kind of hard to eliminate the trigger words. On January 30, deputies spoke with Hansen, who confessed to sending the girl several text messages to meet him in the parking lot, where they often had playing sessions in the vehicle. According to the affidavit, he reportedly confessed to the last time playing with her in January, while his wife and his family were out of town. Yeah, that's a whole report still. With the topic, I couldn't read it so straight, but try my best. It's a tough one. As me always said that still, but that one a tougher than tough, boy. How you get that kind of feelings for your daughter as a father? And then again as a father, if you even develop it, how you not run from it, how you know? Well, you can't say that with YouTube either. Analyze yourself. Why you not analyze yourself before you do that to your daughter, man? Probably can hear it all in my voice. The energy not really dead if you report that one. It's a different vibes than when I do the entertainment and the other things. The mentally ill are something people, because you have a mentally ill to go through with that. And then as soon as police will you just admit it like it was right, or you have a mentally ill to even start thinking them ways about your picking them though. I don't know. Either that or me mentally ill for can't gather them kind of thought patterns and feelings for kids. Overall, kids. So I say, for your pitney. Now get me wrong, no pitney. When I go pick up my kids at school, I'm surrounded by hundreds of pitney, never find one that I was attracted to. Boy, everybody have their own beliefs. I'm not much of a spiritual world person in terms of, using it to judge behaviors, but you'd have to say some spirit in them people, man, because, Jano. Yeah, man, and as I remember, I say it's similar to CMR, but remember the fire where they put on CMR? Well, we're still not sure what's going on, and it kind of look away, saying them a move shaky, but this brother, you admit it. The girl come out to know what she said. That is clear in what we read, and it's clear what he has admitted to. Much different case with from CMR when it come on to evidence, and it it is true. The man admit it. Unless the police station a lie about it. Boy, them thing I really give Jamaica a bad name still, but what we are gonna do? What are we gonna do? Boy, people, it's a rough one. Take care of the kids. Make sure you check up on your kids. Even the other parents, them there. Still make sure them alright, Make sure the other parents not do nothing. Make sure the other parents' partner not do nothing. Ask questions. It's bad that something can happen one time, Very bad. And people will lose them life for that. My picking them. People will lose them life for that. But may I tell you, ongoing for years. And the worst factor I can't get over, him own Pickney. How him live with himself? Was this man still performing and going to shows and so? How him live with himself? Remember, as an artist, It's sad. Anyways, people, the vibes kind of low on that one. Hopefully we'll find a different topic for jump on where more uplifting and keep your mind more distracted after the whole evils and negative of this earth. But Hope so the brother they get 150 years, you know. Yeah, man. I gotta say if it's true again, but the man says it's true. So the man enough for the wrong people, man, especially kids. We know him not get that long, but hopefully when him come out, them definitely keep him from kids. And not dip him back to Jamaica if him was, eligible for that, please. Because that them do with only for people, Mr. Handsome and them people there. I'm sending back the child molesters in Jamaica for come do what them want to do. When I see Mr. Handsome with picnic on lap and say picnic live with him, he might take care of grand picnic. And I said if the man molest picnic come down there and take care of picnic and be a picnic, yeah man, please, not send him down there. Keep him, get him, try rehabilitate him, and run him in on a program where we don't have a program where people can know. Red flag put anywhere him there and don't know. When him there Jamaica, them lost in the radar, people are trust them with them picnic and all them things there. That's why them man enough really leg go back, I'm gone on a different tangent, people. But yes, bless up, one love. Drop a like, a little comment in the thing would really help. Subscription if you never subscribe already. One love, people. Thanks for viewing. Positivity. Watch your kids then.